you ever wondered what it would be like to own a stock or share of Tesla? By the way, it's over $1,300 a share. Or maybe own a piece of Amazon. No, that one's over $3,000 a share. It's nice to dream about it, right? That one day you or me could have enough money to buy a piece of these industry titans. It's a pretty nice dream to have. But just like any goal, you've got to start somewhere. What if I told you, even though these little bits of proof that you are part owner of these titans could start with as little as $20? I kind of decided to begin a side quest. And I'm inviting everyone to join me as I learn to navigate, read, map, and gamble in the stock market. Everything I could find when I was trying to learn, everybody said, your first $500, your first $1,000. I don't have that kind of money. Do you? That's why I decided to share this adventure for the rest of us who live paycheck to paycheck. I'll be live streaming daily each morning from 9 a.m. until 10:30 a.m. researching and picking out what I can buy for as little as $20 a week or up to $60 a week. I can afford to spend that much between paychecks, hoping to learn how this crazy market works. I'm hoping to share what I learned with everyone out there who feels the same way I do. You know, I hear it sometimes, now is the best time, this is the time to buy. We won't have another chance like this in our lifetime. And I'm going to encourage everyone to heed that advice along with me. I'll assume all the risk, I'll make all the mistakes. You can watch, you can ask questions, give advice, even ask me to try something so you can see what happens throughout the week. With what little I have to invest, we can see what a good thing is, or what a bad thing is. You've got nothing to lose by learning with me, and I hope everything to gain.